What's up YouTube? This is Eric Kelly, aka The Tech Gentleman, bringing you guys another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It's finally in the house and we're going to take a look at it. Before I get started, I want to remind you guys, if you like this video at all or it helps you out, make sure you hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, and Google+. I'll have the links down in the description. Also hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed, what you waiting on? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you'll know whenever I upload new content. Without further ado, let's talk tech. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started with the unboxing. On the front we've got the Galaxy S9 Plus logo, looking oh so crispy. On the side we've got the coral blue indicator letting you know what color you got. Obviously I got the coral blue. On the back we've got the specs, which by this time they're all over the internet, all over YouTube. I'll let you guys pause that and take a look if you want. And on the other side we have nothing, clean slate. I'm going to slide the sleeve off, try to anyway. All right, and we're met with nice little low-key Samsung branding. Go ahead and open this box up, because I bet you thought this was the S9. This is not, this is the S8 Plus, one of the great phones from last year. All right, so we're met with a little box instead of the phone, which is a little different, S9 Plus. Then we got the phone on the inside there, a little pull tab here on the left. Go ahead and set that off to the side. Oh, that's looking good. Oh yeah, that blue is what's up. All right, so the inside we got a little insert for the phone. We've got our packaging content. So first up, we've got the power brick. It's going to be their adaptive fast charging. I'm not going to open that. I've got several of those already. We've also got some other goodies here. So what is this? So this is an adapter going from USB Type A to Type C for all of your transfer needs. Plug one end of your cable into your phone, into your S9 and into your old phone. And under here we got some other goodies. Let's see what we got. So we got our USB Type C cable, run of the mill. That's pretty standard for flagships nowadays. And we've got our headphones tuned by AKG. All right. So that appears to be it for the box, but that's not why you guys are here. Set that back. This is why you guys are here. Oh yeah, that's looking oh so clean and oh so difficult to film. All right, let me make some adjustments. Okay, man, that is clean. If you're coming from iPhone, then you're kind of used to this life where every phone, well not every phone, but you're used to people coming out with phones that look very similar or identical physically. We're not used to that in Android land. So we're gonna take a look around the device. So we got our power button on the right. We got our new relocated fingerprint sensor underneath the new dual camera setup. We've also got our flash and heart rate sensor. On the other side, we've got our volume up and down rocker along with our Bixby button. Up top, we've got our SIM card and micro SD card tray. And on the bottom, we've got our Type C in the middle, headphone jack, which is now a rare breed, and our speaker port over here on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and power this guy up. And while it's doing that, I'm gonna do a couple of just size comparisons with the S8 Plus. So front on, they're basically the same size. Supposedly the S9 Plus is like a hair taller. Width-wise and button layout-wise, they are basically identical. Visually, outside of that nice blue color, one small change they did make was the rail on the sides. So if you notice on the S9 Plus, the rail is a little matte, has like a little matte finish. And on the S8 Plus, it's real shiny. And it's like this for all the colors as well. I'm not sure why they did that. I don't know if it's a grip thing or what, but that is definitely the case this year. So the couple of changes they made, obviously on the back, you've got dual cameras and you got the fingerprint sensor that's been moved, but also they've actually made a small improvement to the display, which the display on the S8 Plus was great already. And outside of that, there really aren't many physical changes. Another change though you'll see is you have dual sound. So you have sound coming out of the earpiece up top and the earpiece at the bottom simultaneously if you're listening to video or watching a movie or, listening to music. That's something that a lot of people have been wanting from Samsung for a while. We wanted front-facing speakers, but I think that's a nice compromise. They were still able to give us the small bezels and also give us a upgrade in sound as well. So I'm looking forward to testing this out. I'll definitely be having some content coming. Got some case videos coming out for you guys. And I'm going to get started playing with this guy and kind of switching over and start my review period. But if you guys got any questions, make sure you hit me up in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But until next time, guys, peace.